What's going on, everybody? Chance Ghanem here for the Bitcoin markup. This week has been insane. December 1st today. So this, guys, check this out. I mean, we're talking 11,000. You can see it's not at the very tippy top high, but still really, really close. We've had a lot of movement up and down, but primarily up, 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 up. So let's get to marking it up. Let's see what happened, why everything is going down, what's happening. Like the world, I'm pretty sure the entire world right now is asking what is happening with Bitcoin. So let's do our markups on it. Let's see what the technicals say. So this is interesting to me. So you can see it kind of broke here, came back in, and it retested on this, but it never really retested this top zone. So the big question, and everyone, if you're not familiar with Forex, or charts or analysis, there's got to be a correction, not just Forex, stock market, everything. There's got to be correction. So what I'm looking for as a trader is I'm looking for the correction. And maybe this was it. This pulled down to the 38.2 on the Fibonacci. So let me go to the hour. And I mean, that was a triple touch on that fib pull down. And it pulled down to 9,000. So it pulled down 9,200. So it did pull down a substantial amount, pretty much $2,000. But what I would like to see, let me go back to, let's roll with the day chart. What I'm looking to see, so you can see this, how this is green, the 61.8. That is my magic number. So maybe, I don't know if that's the best color. Let's change the color real quick. Blue make it easier? Oh, it changed all of it. My bad, guys. One second. So this is how you do that too. So settings, and then I go to the 61.8 and I change that color. Let's try that as blue. Okay, that pops a little more. So you can see the 61.8 comes right down here to this trend line as well. So if it forms a newer high, obviously this would move up and it probably wouldn't pull down. But I would be keeping an eye on something to drop. And also, let's see if we have one more trend line coming through here. I mean, that is a strong trend line as well. That got broke, kind of retouched, but not fully. So it might come down to a 38.2 pullback. So my bias is that it's going to drop. It's going to drop because after, I mean, this is just basic markets. After it goes up, you can see it dropped here, but this is forming a double top, actually. So personally, I don't like to sell Bitcoin because we all know in the long term it's going up. But if we're Forex trading it, we can buy and sell Bitcoin. So I don't like to sell it, meaning predict it's going down. But if I can catch a $2,000 movement, I'm going to sell it. So what I would look for right here is I'm looking for this to pull all the way back up, because if you check the fibs on this pull down here, let me see here. You can see it broke everything. So it broke. And so normally after it breaks all the fibs, it's going to go back to the 100% right here, come back to where it's at, come back to 1, essentially, come back to where it was. So I'm expecting the double top here, and that's where I'd be looking to sell it. Let me do a few more markups, though, and see if we can get any extra confirmation on top of this, maybe some trend lines. Can't really make this stuff up, can you? I mean, it's the markets. You guys can go draw these same lines. So check this trend line out. Definitely been respected. All the way through here, respected. Broke, respect, down, respect. Now it's coming back up. So it could respect around here, X marks the spot, or maybe pull up, give a wick, kind of like this, pull back down, and start a downward movement. I don't know when or how far it's going to go. That's the hardest thing about Forex or about Bitcoin and all Forex. But when you're trading this, what I would do is I would suggest twin trading. It's a strategy I use that I teach in my 90-day game plan. And if you're looking to learn how to trade Forex, learn how to be more familiar with chart analysis, learn how to trade Bitcoin better, definitely let me know. Down below, I have a webinar that I tell you everything about the 90-day game plan that I have that'll teach you over a course of 90 days to learn how to trade in the currency market. So Bitcoin, Forex, all different types of currencies, gold, we trade it all. So we'll teach you how to trade it. We'll teach you everything you need to know in that 90-day game plan. So check out our webinar. And after the webinar, you'll be accessed into a free strategy session where you can even get on a call with me and we'll figure out how we can make the 90-day game plan work for you. So make sure you go check that out in the description below. And with that being said, thank you. Please give this a subscribe so you can see all the chart analysis we do on Bitcoin, other Forex pairs, and everything moving forward.